Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can withdraw money from interactive brokers. So first thing first, you need to be logged in into your account in interactive brokers. After that, what you need to do is look on the right corner. You will see withdraw, a red button. Click on that. After some loading, you will be redirected here to the where you will withdraw page, where you will select the method how you want to withdraw. So you have three options. First option is that your funds are withdraw electronically with SEPA protocol here. No, then you have bank wire transfer and to Vice balance. Now, for all of these withdrawals, you will need this IBKR login to tell how much you want to withdraw. And you need to know the daily limits apply depending on your secure logging device. But yeah, this depends just for you and or your bank. So this is how you can withdraw. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.